Happy Monday, y'all. Well, we have double news today we share with you. First, AMC closed on the green, and as a matter of fact, what could be like an 11% day turned out to be a 6% day. But we'll take it because Friday green, Monday green, it tends to be a trend now, at least when you see the last 3 weeks. But I want to share with you something even bigger. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler just dropped the news less than an hour ago about, hey, we are looking at banning payment for order flow. This is a game changer. As a matter of fact, the news is so big that Robinhood stock dropped right when the interview report came out. I mean, you can see that it went all the way down almost 5% before recovering another bit, and it's still down a couple of cents after hours. But this is a big news, guys, because first of all, we knew that he was looking at this. But the fact that it's actually coming, officially and saying that, hey, we know that this is a practice that is totally against free market, totally against the idea of market transparency and market fairness and the old stuff we know, but he didn't actually say that before. So this is why it is really, really, really a big move forward when it comes to the AMC short squeeze. SEC Gensler said a full ban of the controversial payment for order flow practice is on the table. The SEC staff is reviewing the practice and could come out with proposals in the coming months. Well, guys, this is coming after 6 days exactly, and I mentioned this last week with you around the Australian regulator, the ASIC, actually was proposing to impose even tougher rules and restrictions around the payment for order flow. We already know that this is forbidden. We already know that this is a banned practice in Australia, in the UK, and in Canada. But the fact that Australia was already looking at making it even tougher for people because they understood that this is totally against free market. And we all know that, the US, Australia, Canada, UK, France, all of these big Western countries, big economies are built upon the idea of capitalism. So it was just a matter of time. But I'm really, really excited that this came out as soon as now, because personally, I wanted the impression that this will come pretty much months for now. But what does it mean exactly for AMC moving forward? Well, the fact that we are on an uptrend since the last 3-4 weeks, at least the beginning of the month of August, definitely when you see Robinhood dropping almost 5% at this news, it means investors are paying attention. So this can be another catalyst, not only driving some swing traders, some day traders that will want to ride this momentum, but also we want to make sure that we keep monitoring this precisely because, as I mentioned, once payment for order flow is banned, guys, it means we are lifting pretty much the barrier that was preventing this thing from flying. And with all the amount of synthetics that will need to be covered, this can potentially be this, even though we know there is not only one catalyst. But again, guys, definitely a big move forward, and I will keep you updated definitely on this moving forward.